Hi everyone! Today we're going to be unboxing a Poopsie Slime Surprise. Look how cute the characters are! You can unravel some more there and yeah, let's get started. So, remove this and then we do that. Then we're going to take the lid off. Look how many surprises there are in here. I wonder what this is. So let's open it. So let's see what's in this one. Okay, that went flying. We got a little flamingo. Oh, got a big one. Got a big one. Okay, finally got it out. And it is these. Our container is, it's a little pineapple drink. And it's got sunglasses. There's sunglasses on it. Oh, Mr. Pineapple. Okay, got one more surprise. It's gonna be like a cup or something. Looks like a cup. Oh, we got a green kind of glow-in-the-darky cup. Okay, so then we've also got the collector's guide and the instructions. So we unravel some more surprises here. Got a unicorn food. Unicorn magic. And don't forget about the special scent. Oh, looks, it has a little unicorn tip. Anything else? Oh, and we've got some unicorn sparkle. And we've also got a magic spoon. It's a little gold one. Okay, so let's see if we can find this one on here. So, no, not there. We got feathers. Feathers, here she is. In the turds of paradise, like poops of paradise, that's funny. So let's move everything to the side and get what we need. So we got our container for making slime. Feathers can go over there. Okay, so let's start making our slime. First, we're gonna need our green cup and fill it up to the water line. The water line, got that. Now we have to open this little cup and pour it in, and I'm gonna do it again. Two. Now we're going to put our secret scent in. It smells like vanilla. Let's add 5 drops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're gonna add our unicorn food. Our scissors and cat. Now we're going to add it in. pink. Get our little unicorn spoon, like mix it around in there. Okay, so now let's put the lid back on and shake it up for 1 minute. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Now let's see if the slime's ready. Whoa! It's pink. Let's see. Let's get this, put this slime onto the table. Get all of it. Look at this slime. Okay, we've got it out. Whoa. So cool. Sunglasses away. Wow. Let's put some rainbow magic. Okay, so now let's add our unicorn magic to the slime. Okay, let's put it in. Get some scissors. Open the packet. Pour in. Wow! Let's start kneading. This slime is so pretty. Oh, don't miss a single touch of glitter. Don't try and miss a single touch of glitter. Don't even know if I can get this all in. Whoa. So cool. Okay, so I'm going to wipe my hands now. Yeah. Okay, so now let's add the unicorn sparkle. Little tiny love hearts. Now let's get all of those love hearts into the slime. Kind of coming off of my hands. Do not miss a single bit of glitter. Wait, how am I even going to get it all in there? It's so much. Okay, so this is the result. Now we're going to put this slime into feathers. I have no idea if this is all going to fit in there, but I'm going to make it get in there. Come on, slime. Come on, slime. Get in there. I know you want to. It's your new home, so you better get in it. Go in it. Okay. The slime does not want to go in. Okay, so I've happened to get it in. Now we're going to make sure all the slime is where it goes. Then we're going to close this up. And it's really hard to open again because the slime sticks to everything. Get this in further. Okay, so you have to try. Okay. So that's all we have for today. So bye.